for my SSO, I wanted to write about serial killers, which is the theme of the SSO. And because, well, I wanted to work in social studies because they go hand in hand. Um, I would look at the impact the parents have had on the child to adulthood, and like if they doesn't give the child enough attention, well, they can develop being a serial killer later on in their lives. And my counselor is Mette, who also have social studies, which is my teacher in social studies. And the thing that interests me about the theme is that it's well, it's crazy to think about how um, how the parents and the environment around you and the primary and secondary socialization has an impact on you, and that it can make people like psychotic and do things like that. So I really wanted to write about a case and talk about all of these facts or the impacts on the child, so that, well, you know how to not become a serial killer, or how, yeah, well, mostly that. So I always thought about this theme because in primary school we had about this, and I thought it was very interesting because we had about 3 or 4 cases about serial killers in America. But it's very different from here in Denmark or in Scandinavia, because they're not as, well, sick in the head, if you can call it that. But I found it very interesting, and I know there's a lot of things to say about that, and a lot of books you can read about. So it doesn't, it's not boring to read, and there will be enough like material to write about. So that's mainly how, or yeah, why I chose the topic. So yeah, that's going to be fun.